heartfelt. Well, the whole world was sleeping.
It's hard to put the words together to describe how I felt the first time we met. I could comment on how gorgeous I thought you were slinging drinks to the DeLacy's Tavern locals. But now I know it was much more than that. It was like a magnet that was drawing two souls together.
And all the lights dancing on your skin. And all I've done to hold you here again. I'll do it again.
Michael.
I only get called that when I'm in trouble.
I can't believe we're finally doing this. After all these years, all these experiences, and creating this life together, I don't feel like I actually need to make any promises to you. Because we understand each other, we know each other, and exactly what each other wants and needs. As I become your wife today, I commit myself to you and our family. You are my person, my home, I love you.
To my groom, not long now until we say I do. I'm so excited to see you standing at the end of the aisle and to officially be your wife. Nobody makes me smile like you do. So have a drink with the boys and cheers to one of the happiest days of our lives. See you when I'm looking at you. I love you, Krystal, XO.
This is it, guys. Can you believe it? After 14 years, you first saw Mick in that pub, you ended up here standing on a hill with him. How good is that, Krystal? It's now my pleasure to pronounce you as husband and wife. You may now kiss your beautiful wife.
I get too deep sometimes in my own head. Unstitch the fabric to find a common thread. Got caught up in the hustle, forgot to love. Woke up in the rubble to a light from above. Racing to the end of the
As we all know, Krystal has been waiting for this day for quite a long while. What she doesn't know, though, is that Caroline and I have also been waiting for this day. Not for us, although we do look good today, but for her, to watch all her dreams come true, to watch her eyes light up when she woke up this morning to realise she gets to marry the man of her dreams.
Krystal did ask me if there's anything specific that I wanted, like precious about certain things, what marquee we're in or anything like that. And I'm like, nah, as long as we've got good music, good food, good booze, and all the people we care about, which I think we've got all of those things ticked off. And I said, there's nothing really. Hang on a second. I want to come in on a chopper.
I'm chasing fire.
Looking forward to many happy years ahead. All right, let's party.